PlanGrid is one of the most popular construction management tools out there, but before you dive in and commit, there are 12 key things you need to know to make sure it's the right fit for your projects, and we'll also compare it to some alternatives to help you decide. First, PlanGrid is known for its intuitive interface. It's simple to use, especially for teams not heavily experienced with tech. That said, competitors like Procore and Buildertrend offer more robust features, which could be important for larger or more complex projects. Next, PlanGrid shines in document management. Uploading, accessing, and marking up blueprints is smooth and fast. However, Procore integrates more seamlessly with other tools and offers stronger custom workflows. The third thing is the pricing. PlanGrid operates on a tiered subscription model, and while the plans start affordably, costs can climb quickly as you add team members or need advanced features. If you're on a tighter budget, Buildertrend or CoConstruct might offer better value for small to medium-sized teams. Fourth, PlanGrid is excellent for collaboration. It allows multiple users to work on the same documents in real time. However, its offline mode can be somewhat limited compared to alternatives like Autodesk Build, which excels in remote work situations. Another important point is integrations. PlanGrid integrates well with Autodesk products, but lags behind competitors like Procore, which supports a wider range of third-party tools and ERP systems. The sixth thing is customer support. PlanGrid offers email and chat support, but response times can vary. Procore, in contrast, provides 24/7 live support, which could be a deciding factor if your team needs quick resolutions during critical phases. Seventh, PlanGrid offers solid reporting features, but it's not as customizable as Procore or Buildertrend, especially if you need advanced analytics to track progress or financials. Next, mobile usability. PlanGrid's mobile app is highly rated for its simplicity, but some users report occasional syncing issues. Alternatives like FieldWire offer similar mobile functionality with fewer connectivity concerns. The ninth thing to know is its learning curve. PlanGrid is beginner-friendly, making it ideal for teams without much software experience. Procore, while more feature-rich, can feel overwhelming for first-time users. Another consideration is the scalability. PlanGrid works well for smaller to mid-sized projects, but larger enterprises may find Procore's enterprise-level tools more suitable. 11th, PlanGrid's RFI and submittal management tools are functional, but not as comprehensive as competitors like Autodesk Build, which offers deeper integration with project lifecycles. Finally, data security. PlanGrid uses strong encryption, but if compliance is critical for your projects, Procore's security protocols and certifications might offer greater peace of mind. In summary, PlanGrid is a solid option for teams looking for ease of use and efficient document management, but if you need more robust features, deeper integrations, or enterprise-level scalability, alternatives like Procore or Buildertrend might be a better fit. For an even better option tailored to your needs, check out our recommended solution. It's free to try and might just offer everything you're looking for.